Hello viewers, you are welcome. We want to solve this problem here. So what's the value of k? When you have k times k times k equals 27 over 8. So what you are going to do is that I'm going to have k times k times k. That gives what? That gives k to the power of 3. Then equals. So 27 can also be written as 3 to the power of 3 all over 2 to the power of 3. Alright, so from there, so we're going to have k to the power of 3 then equals, I will multiply both sides by, let me multiply both sides by 2 to the power of 3. Okay, 2 to the power of 3. So from there, you see that this will cancel this. Okay, this will cancel this. So we are going to be left with 2 to the power of 3 multiplying this. And everything here will be 3 to the power of 3. So now the next thing we're going to do is that we're going to have 2k all to the power of 3 because 2 and k are sharing the same power, which is 3, then equals 3 to the power of 3. Now moving on, so we're going to have what? Now from here we have something, we have this a to the power of 3. Before that, we have 2k all to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3, then equals to 0. So we have a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, then equals 0. This is difference of this is a difference of 2 cubes. So by that, and power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 will give what? Will give us a minus b, then a squared minus plus ab, then plus b squared. Okay, so we are going to apply the same thing. So now from here, okay, so we're going to have 2k minus 3 into bracket 2k all squared plus a is 2k and b is 3. We're going to have 6k, then plus b is 3. We're going to have 3 squared. That will give us 9. Then everything equals 0. So now from here, we're going to have 2k minus 3. Then 2k's all squared, we're going to have 4k all squared plus 6k plus 9. Then everything equals 0. Alright, so moving on, we're going to have this is 0 form equation. So is that we have 2k minus 3 equals 0, or 4k squared plus 6k plus 9 equals 0. So now from here, we have case 1 here. So we're going to have 2k minus 3 equals 0. This implies that k is equals to 3 over 2. So when you transpose 3 to the other side, so that means we have k1, the first solution. Now, so moving on, so from case 2, taking the case 2, the case 2 is 4k squared plus 6k plus 9, then equals 0. So we're going to compare this with equation of quadratic. A will be 1, B will be 6, and C will be what? Will be 9. So now from there, using quadratic formula, we're going to have k will be equals to minus 6 plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, then all over what? All over 2a. Alright, so from there, we're going to have what? We're going to have k equals minus 6 plus or minus, it's b that I want to write here, minus b. So we are going to have minus 6 plus or minus, then the square root of what? B squared is c squared, c squared, minus 4 times a is what? A is 1, a is 4, sorry, a is 4, then we have c to be what? C to be 9, all divided by what? 2 times 4. Understood? So we have what? We have k minus 6 plus or minus the square root of what? 36 minus, so 4 times 4 times 9, that will give us 144, all divided by 8. Understood? So from there, we're going to have k will be equals to minus 6 plus or minus the square root of 36 minus 144, that will be minus 108, all divided by 8. So we have k to be equals to minus 6 plus or minus, then we can split this as minus 1 multiplied by square root of 108 can be splitted as 36 multiplied by 3. Understood? So from there, we're going to have what? Divided by what? Divided by 8. So we're going to have k will be equals to minus 6 plus or minus, then the square root of minus 1. The square root of minus 1 is what? Is I. So we're going to have I, then square root of 36 is 6, we have 6, then root 3, all divided by what? All divided by 8. So now we can reduce it to its lowest form, so by having k, so we are going to what? Multiply or take out the common factor, and the common factor is 2. So I'm going to have minus what? Minus 3 plus or minus I minus 3 root what? Root 3. Okay, then divide by what? Divide by, this is 2 times 8. Okay, so from there, I'm going to have k will be equals to this 8, 2 will cancel these 2. Alright, so we are going to have minus 3 plus or minus I 3 root 3, then divide by what? Divide by, this should be 4 because 2 times 4 give us 8. So divide by what? Divide by 4. So therefore, we have the solutions. So we have k2 to be minus 3 plus I 3 root 3 all over 4. So that is case 2. I mean, for k2, that is solution 3 now, we have minus 3, then minus I 3 root 3, then all divided by 4. And this is what? And this is a third solution. And we have the first solution here to be what? To be k equals what? Equals 3 over 2. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the class, kindly share to your friends so they can learn from it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.